Okay, so today I only have time to make one video, so this will be the video. We're going to mainly talk about JASMY, but I'm also going to talk about Bitcoin and Cronos Chimp chain, the NFTs, because I have to go into work earlier than normal today. So first of all, Bitcoin. If Bitcoin goes below 42K, 40K would be next. If we close a weekly candle below 40K, I think the bull run is over. That for JASMY, that for everything, even NFTs probably. And 46K is your support line. And if you're above 51K, I'm bullish again. So then going on to the Chimp chain, the low is in on the NFTs, I believe. The low I think was just above 1200, just below 1200. Maybe it went down to 1,000 crow at one point. It's not really loading right now, but I do think the low is in. When I looked at yesterday, the NFTs were currently going for 1,700 crow. So I think getting in now is still a good idea, even though it's a little bit up from the low because you saw the bounce. I think it's bullish now, especially Bitcoin. The low is in at 42K, which I do think it is. I just think you keep making higher lows on Bitcoin, then I think the NFTs would do fine. Right, yeah, right now the base price is 1,700 crow almost. So I think that's looking good. I think that'd be a good time to get in. If I had more money, I'd probably buy one again. Originally, I sold mine for 2,100 crow. Yeah, but I think Bitcoin is also looking good. So let's go over to JASMY now with that out of the way. So I did say if 7 cents doesn't hold, sorry, I'm stuffed up. If 7 cents doesn't hold, 6.5 would be next, and that we're not 7 cents right now. So, but 7 cents is on the table if you are below 8.5 on the daily time frame. I do think we closed a daily candle yesterday below 8.5, so 7 cents could happen if Bitcoin does fall, can't hold 46K. Remember yesterday, if I'll go to the smaller time frames, I do think Bitcoin yesterday went below 46K. Barely, but you did go below it. So be aware, it could go lower. If 8.5 doesn't hold, which you unless you get back above 8.5, until you get back above 8.5, 7 cents is on the table. So that's kind of the downward price action for that. If you get above 8.5 today and Bitcoin moves to 47K or something like that, then the 236 is up here at 11.5. That's been the same for weeks now. And the daily, and you're not bullish on the daily time frame until you're above almost 20 cents, 19.7 cents, we'll call it. Personally, I don't think you come down below 7 cents. I don't think you fall down to 6.5. But if Bitcoin has a double bottom back down to 42K, then JASMY could fall down to 6.5 again. I just don't think you fall below that because if you do, I think it's over. Remember, the all time high for this, at least for last year, was 34 cents. So I to go from 34 cents all the way down to below 6.5. Let me do the math on what kind of drop that'd be. That'd be insane. 6.5 divided by 34. You're talking about an 80+% drop in a bull market for a good coin I like. I mean, so I just don't see that happening if if there's still any hope that this does good in 2022. I think it does, but if you fall below 6.5, then I think all bets are off. Remember, I don't see $5 happening this year. People were asking me about that on JASMY. I just don't see that happening because it was at $5 at one point. It doesn't show it on this chart because this is just a Coinbase chart, but it was at $5 at one point. The reason it dumped so much is because they kept dumping coins into circulation, which means they diluted the market cap. And the more coins that are in circulation, the more coins that are out there, and that means the price is going to go down if you add more coins. If you take more coins away, like it's deflationary with Bitcoin, then the price goes up over time. This one is going down. I still think this can hit 50 cents or maybe a little bit higher this bull run. But I don't think it goes too much past it. I think $1 is even possible this bull run, but I don't think $2 or $3 or $4 or $5 is happening this bull run. Maybe in a few years it will if they stop dumping coins into circulation. But beyond that, I don't see $5 as bull run. Probably not even two this bull run. If Bitcoin somehow goes to 300K, which I definitely don't see happening, but on that 1% chance it does this year, then maybe this could hit $2. But that's kind of all I got. So you guys are the next one. It's already a longer video than normal. Also, one more thing to watch out for on JASMY is the 12-hour chart's going down. Was it 6-hour chart's already going down? What's a 4-hour doing? 4 hours trying to bottom. The daily chart's it might be topping out. So JASMY, 7 cents is still on the table, guys, if the daily MACD is already turning bearish. So be aware of that. If you fall below 6.5, I would be extremely inclined to say it's probably not going to make a new all-time high this year, but we will see. That's all I got. See you guys in the next one.